Hi everyone, this is an update video on my latest haul from Hobby Link Japan, one of my favorite places to buy models. This is a perfect Christmas gift for yourself, so I do recommend using them. They ship from Japan. Depending on your shipping method, it could take about maybe 2 weeks, maybe a little more because of the holidays, but they have good prices and they have kits that you can't really get anywhere in the US or not from everywhere. So let's see what my latest kits are. And thank you very much for the newest subscribers. I appreciate everyone because I know most of my viewers, 97% of you do not subscribe. So thank you very much for the ones who do subscribe. Let's check out these kits. First one. Check it out. You know what? They package it really well. It's all in plastic. So they do take care of the kits on this long way to the US. See how nicely packaged it is? All in plastic. Look at that. Piece of cardboard on the bottom. Let's check out our kits. Ooh, look at that. Nice. A fish truck. Fish food truck. Look at that. So this is probably something you would see at Tsukiji Market in Japan. Fresh sushi. See? Look at these crates here for fish. Got some knives here, and you could probably buy the sushi right here, right off the side. It's a reissue kit. Aoshima has a lot of these food truck kits, which I do like. They're very unique. They're different. You know, just from the base car, they can make a lot of different model kits with it, and I think this is very neat. So we'll do an unboxing one day of this, but I have an idea for a bigger project for these food trucks. Look at that. Super cute, huh? A giant fish. Okay, next one. Look at this. I really like these classic Skylines. This one was in a race. Look at this. R30 Skyline. Kyalami 9-hour endurance. I think that's what it is. But look at the details in this one. Look how great looking that is. Look at that. Comes with metal stickers, metal parts, photo etch parts, seat belts. Look at that. Great way to reissue a kit, make a high detail version. So with all the kits out there, or if you already have one, you might as well buy the newest one where they bundle it with all the extras. Might as well build the kit with all the accessories, make it look the best possible instead of simpler kits without the details. You might as well do it once and do it right. Look at that. Look at that interior, that racing interior. Look at that. Love it. Love it. Let me know if you want me to build this super detail kit. That's pretty neat. This is my first Aoshima super detail kit. I didn't know they did that, you know. Maybe there's a new thing they're doing, but I know Gunzei, they do that, or they used to. I think, I'm not sure, does Hasegawa do that? Maybe you guys can let me know. But I think they do. Gunzei has the high-tech kits. But definitely would go for these. Maybe we'll do an unboxing of this one, but let me know what you think. You know, my favorite Skyline is the R34, of course, like everyone else, but I've liked that car since the 90s. So, or, you know, actually late 90s, early 2000s. So, but this one really looks appealing to me. I love the color scheme. I love the flare, fenders, the front lip there, everything. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You should go ahead and get yourself a Christmas present too from Hobby Link Japan. Very reliable, easy to shop with. So take care. Thanks for watching.